Hey, it's Philly's Funny Family. Nettie on the scene, back with another one. I'm thinking. My son asked me to try the Burger King to try one of my famous burp, burping videos, He wants me to try it at the drive-through to be annoying because we already annoy them with our coupons. So, hoping the one manager isn't on because he will really be annoyed. He already walks away from the window when he sees me pull up, but when I hit him with this, I'm trying my best today, but hold on. I'll try my best. The order it in burping. Let's see how this goes. All right.